Hey everyone, today we have this very tricky math question. You have only 10 seconds to solve this. Your time start now. Okay, your time's up. We will solve with order of operations. Okay, first preference will be this parenthesis part, which is 18 divided by 2 will give result 9 here. So we can simply write 18 divided by 2 times 9 times 2. Okay, and don't try to solve this in a way like 9 times 2, that is 18, and 18 times 2 will be 36, and you will write 18 divided by 36, which equals to 1 by 2, or you can say 0.5. This is not the right way. So how to solve in a right way, I will show you here. You will simply write 18 divided by 2 times 9 divided by 2. As you know, multiplication, division, same practice, so we'll do that. So right here, 18 divided by 2 will give result 9 here, times 9 times 2. Now 9 times 9 will give result 81 times 2. And here 81 divided by 2 times 2 will give result 162. So here for first question, we have the answer 162. And moving to the next question, we have 100 divided by 10 square times 2 plus root 2. So let's simplify this. Let's change color to yes, green. Okay. Now, for order of operation, we will solve for this parenthesis part. You can say we will simply write this is not actually parenthesis of closure, just simply juxtaposition. You can say we can write like this. Now, next reference will be given for exponent, which have two exponent part. First one is 100 square, so we will write 10 square actually. 10 square is 10 times 10, which give 100 as a result. So we can write 100 divided by 100 times 2 plus, and similarly 100 root 4 will give result 2 here. So we can simply write 2 there. Okay. Now we will do left to right here. 100 divided by 100 will give result 1 here, times 2 plus 2, and 1 times 2 will give result 2 here, and 2 plus 2 will give finally answer 4. So 4 is the right answer, and watch all these videos if you want to solve more videos, and subscribe us for more videos like this.